Today we are going to understand what is frontal assessment battery. After we do the mini mental score and then the mocha test, we have the frontal assessment battery. It is a brief tool which is used to assess the frontal lobe functions. Now there are majorly 6 points. First is the similarities. We will test the patient whether he can give the similarities between, for example, banana and orange. Answer should be fruits. Table and chair. Answer should be furniture. And tulip, rose or daisy. So 3 examples are given. If all the 3 are correct, 3 points are given. 2 is correct, 2 points are given. 1 is correct, 1 point. And if none is correct, 0 point is given. Secondly, we will do for the lexical fluency, in which patient is asked to tell as many as words starting from the letter F, A or S. Normally, a normal person can give more than 9 words. More than 9 words is given, then 3 points are given. If it is between 6 to 9, then 2 points. 3 to 5, 1 point. Less than 3 words, 0 point. You should make the patient understand that if there is that he should not repeat it, or he should not give a variation of a single same word, or proper nouns are not counted as correct answers. The time allowed to give the response is 60 seconds. For example, if the patient gives no response during the first 5 seconds, then or the patient pauses for 10 seconds and prompt them by saying give any word beginning with the letter S. Then third is a motor urea test, in which the patient you will demonstrate 3 times this motion, like firstly fist, then edge and then palm. Prompt the patient, now with your right hand do the same series. First with me and then alone. The examiner performed the 3 series in total with the patient. Now you have to tell the patient, now do it on your own. If the patient performs 6 correct consecutive series, then 3 points are given. Patient performs at least 3 correct, 2 points are given. Patient fails down but performs 3 correct series with the examiner, 1 point is given. And patient cannot perform the 3 correct, then 0 point is given. Then we have the conflicting instructions, in which you have to tell the patient, that is, tap twice when I tap once. To be sure that the patient has understood, do a series of 3 trial runs. 1, 1, 1. Then when you are tapping 1, he should tap twice. Similarly, tap once when I tap twice means you will have to tap twice, and he has to tap 1. You have to give the 3 trial runs. Now then you will perform the actual series. If there is no error, 3 points are given. 1 or 2 errors, 2 points are given. More than 2 errors, 1 point is given. Patient taps like the examiner at least 4 consecutive times, then 0 point is given. Then we have the go no go test. Tell the patient, tap once when I tap once. Then you will give the 3 trial runs, and tell the patient, do not tap when I tap twice. Means you will tap twice and he should not tap. You will give 3 trial runs. Examiner now performs the actual series. You have to see whether there is any act of perseveration, act of omission or commission. Then prehension behavior, it is also called grasp reflex. An examiner is seated in front of the patient. Now place the patient's hand palm up on her knees or his knees. Without saying anything or looking at the patient, the examiner brings his hand close to the patient, touches the palm to see if she spontaneously takes them. If the patient takes the hand, examiner will try again after asking him, now do not take my hands. Now if the patient does not take the examiner hand, then 3 points. Patient hesitates and asks what he has to do, then 2 points. Patient take the hands without hesitation, 1 point. And patient take the examiner hand even after he or she has been told not to do so, 0 point. So total score is calculated, and maximum score is 18 and significant score is less than 12.